right, taking a look at a kit car project. On the table here, I have the parts laid out. So we got the rear axles that join the hubs and differential. We got the rear hubs, the rotors that will be going on, the hub and the aluminum spacer, and then a aluminum bracket to hold the housing in place. So we got two of everything here. And here we have the control arm lightly bolted on, front mounting point and rear mounting point. This has been assembled and sealed up. And this will be getting mounted to those aluminum brackets and then getting installed in the vehicle. And over here are the 4 calipers that have already been painted. 2 for the rear and 2 for the front. Stay tuned. Okay, minor progress on the Devin front end suspension. Have the suspension laid out, the hubs and knuckles. Front control arms have been assembled with jam nuts and ball joints. Nuts and bolts for the upper linkage has been assembled up. And then on the right side of the diff, I've received the final seal and will be bolting it on. So the right side here has been all bolted on, torqued and cotter pinned. Here we have the final bits. So we have the knuckles that have been bolted together, calipers, and then the rotor and hub have been bolted on and torqued.